I was mentioning in my previous videos how much I love gel nail varnish, having discovered it some 2 years ago with all the metallic, thermal and all the other kind of gel nail varnish. Much better than using acrylic nail varnish, as I used to do for a very long time, going to a salon where they were so ungrateful, even cutting my fingers. So I saved lots of money by starting using this gel nail varnish. However, recently I started using this polygel you saw there, Gershion from Amazon. And besides this, you also need the drill machine plus the cure machine you saw there. And to be on the safe side, you might want to invest in using a primer. Now, this set contains a file which is 100 on one side, 180 on the other side. We don't see here because I use it all the time. Plus a brush on one side, spatula on the other side, the base coat and top coat, nail shapes and foils as you can see there, plus 6 polygels ranging from clear, white, 3 nuances of pink and 1 being red. Now, this top coat you saw there is the most amazing top coat. Is as thin as the base coat, which is very important because I have so many top coats from Laguna Moon and they were rather thick and I thought they were supposed to be like that. I was rather disappointed, but no, top coat is supposed to be thin and the one from Gershion is very good quality. Now I know that I got the wrong stuff from Laguna Moon, also from Amazon, and I should have complained. So as I said, here you can see the spatula to one side and the brush to one side and the nails, which I decided to separate into these bags from 0 to 9. And for me the best sizes are 3, 8, 7, 8 and 9, where 3 is the biggest and 9 is the smallest. All nails are different, so for your other nail forms might suit you more. The downside, it clearly destroys the nails as you can see here, and in order to protect my fingers and the palm I'm using these gloves you see here, which I used in all my previous videos. So the process starts with removing the old gel nail varnish, old polygel, which for me lasted close to 4 weeks. So I am impressed. They are very good. And previously I used the light pink, was very good. And here you see I already put the nail shapes ready in order to be used. So it's very important you prepare everything in advance. So I'm showing to you now how I'm removing the last remaining polygel from the previous time using the drill machine. I tend to use the drill machine much more than the file, and the next step is applying this prime vitamin, which is very important if you want to protect your nail. After which you apply the base coat, which is very good from Gershion, and you cure it for 1 minute. I chose on this occasion to use this bean red, which I will apply it with the spatula, and the set does not contain the isopropyl alcohol, so I had it in the house, and it's very important to make sure you spread it with the brush. So the recommended technique is to choose your nail shapes well in advance, to have everything prepared, to learn how much polygel you need by checking other YouTube videos, and make sure you prepare the nail shape, you press on the nail shape on both ends. This is very important because on one occasion I actually did not press on both sides at the base of the nail and at the tip of the nail, and I could see there a little space. Ideally is you not to see any such space, so just press it, but not too hard in order the polygel to come out. So you have to spread this polygel with isopropyl alcohol using this brush, and look how easy it spreads. You can't do it without the isopropyl alcohol. You can't use water. You need to have this alcohol, so make sure you are prepared. And afterwards you apply it on the nail, and look how easy it is. So press both at the base of the nail and at the tip of the nail. And I chose to create my nails long because I like typing very fast, and at this moment in time I'm still studying, so I need to write my assignments very fast. And look how easily you can remove this form after curing the nail for 1 minute. And let's now start doing the third nail, the nail in the middle. So again, spreading this polygel with the spatula and then spreading it around beautifully with the brush and the isopropyl alcohol, and then pressing it on your nail all over again. Is as simple as that. I really love this process, and this is my second attempt. The first time I actually made my nails much longer. They were so beautiful, I couldn't believe. And as I said, they lasted for close to 4 weeks until I started pinching them and removing all the bits, because after 3 weeks you can start removing the bits here and there. So here it is, removing the nail again after curing it for 1 minute. So this is one of the disadvantages of this process, that you have to do the nails one by one if you do it on your own, so no one helps you. So here are the negatives all over again. The file does not shape the base of the nail like the drill does, so you might want to think about that. And you have to do your nails one by one if you do it alone, and you destroy your nails. However, look how beautiful they are after just having done all 5 of them. Next is to shape them. So I will shape the tip using the file and the base using the drill. And after doing both hands, I'll apply another gel nail varnish. This is with glitter. You might want to use any other gel nail varnish, thermal or metallic, whatever you want. And after curing for 1 minute, you have to apply the top coat and curing again for 1 minute. Is as simple as that. So check my tips, the positive and negative things you have when applying this polygel. Thank you for watching. I hope it inspired you too, and have a very nice day. Bye.